Hello everyone and welcome, and today we are going to finalize with plural prefix.
Obugambo, obusoka, kukigambo, mubungi. Plural, bungi. So let's start, and for my subscribers, thanks very much for watching and loving the videos. So let's start.
Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're going to finalize with plural prefixes. Obugambo, obusooka ku kigambo mubungi. Plural bungi. Okay, so let's start. And for my subscribers, thanks very much for watching and loving the videos. So let's start. Plural prefixes include ba, me, ma, be, boo, ma, ga. Okay, let's see how some of the common prefixes are used. Katulabe engeri obugambo obusooka mu bungi bwe bukozesebwa. Ba. It is commonly used for referencing many humans. It is commonly used for referencing many humans. Ba etera kukozesebwa ku bantu abangi. Ba etera kukozesebwa ku bantu abangi. An example: basajja, men. Basajja, men. Bawala, girls. Bawala, girls. Hope you can note the starting prefixes on these words, which is ba. Me. It is commonly used on circular objects. Me is commonly used on circular objects. Etera kukozesebwa ku bintu ebyetooloovu. Etera kukozesebwa ku bintu ebyetooloovu. An example: mipiira, balls. Mipiira, balls. Michungwa, oranges. Michungwa, oranges. Bee. It is commonly used for referencing many non-living items. It is commonly used for referencing many non-living items. Be etera kukozesebwa ku bintu ebitassa. Etera kukozesebwa ku bintu bitassa. An example: bitabo, books. Bitabo, books. Bikopo, cups. Bikopo, cups. Boo. This prefix is commonly used for small things. It is commonly used for small things. Boo etera kukozesebwa ku bintu ebitono. Etera kukozesebwa ku bintu ebitono. An example: Bubwa, small dogs. Bubwa, small dogs. Bumese, small rats. Bumese, small rats. Ma, ma. It is commonly used on body parts. Ma is commonly used on body parts. Etera kukozesebwa okwogera ku bitundu by'omubiri. Ma etera kukozesebwa okwogera ku bitundu by'omubiri. An example, maaso, eyes. Maaso, eyes. Mannyo, teeth. Mannyo, teeth. And since articles are, a, o are used on words to bring out proper meanings in Luganda, also plural prefixes are also joined together with articles during word formation. Note, articles are, a, o can be combined with plural prefixes to bring out proper word formation in Luganda. Let's take an example, and for further reference on singular prefixes, you can refer to previous video as shown in the description box. An example, ebyokulabirako. On the word basajja, when you add on the a, it becomes abasajja. Abasajja. Mipiira, when you add on a, it becomes emipiira. Emipiira. And please note, the pronunciation of a and a, you can refer to these videos for further review. Okay, let's proceed. Bitabo. Bitabo. When you add on the a, it becomes ebitabo. Ebitabo. Hope you can note the pronunciation between a and a, which are a and e according to English, but in Luganda, the sound changes. Okay, let's proceed. Maaso. Maaso. When you add on the a, it becomes amaaso. Amaaso. Okay, thanks very much for watching. We shall continue on in the next video. Hope you've got something, and now you can formulate words easily. Stay well. Beera bulungi. Bye bye.